Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a super easy snack or a starter that is called cheesy bread basket. So let's get started. For the stuffing, let's turn on the flame. Now we are going to add 1 tablespoon butter to the pan, followed by 1/4 cup of chopped capsicum. Saute for few seconds and then add sweet corn kernels to this. Saute it again for a couple of seconds. Then you can add 1.5 teaspoons of all-purpose flour or maida and saute for a minute till it all binds well. After this, now we are going to add 3/4 cup of milk and let this cook well till the stuffing becomes like this. Finally, we can add some salt and pepper to this. It should be a little thick in texture. Now, once it is done, we can keep this mixture aside. Now, let's take the bread slices and cut them into round shape. So either you can use a sharp-edged object or a katori to cut those round slices. We just have to make sure that the bread roundels and the mold size are in proportion to each other. Since I'm going to bake them in a cupcake tray, I have used 6 bread slices. You can either use cupcake tray or single molds, and if you're baking without oven, then please check the description. Now in a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of melted butter followed by 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and mix them all well. Now grease the molds with the butter mix, and this step is completely optional, but this gives a very nice flavor. Now we are going to take the bread slices and press it against the molds. We are going to do the same way for remaining bread slices. After placing them in the molds, we are going to apply the butter mix, and then we are going to place 1 tablespoon of stuffing to these. After this, we are going to add some processed cheese to it. So you can add around 1 teaspoon of processed cheese to this. Followed by this, we are just going to add 2 to 3 drops of milk over the cheese. And finally, we are going to sprinkle some more Italian seasoning and chili flakes. Now our gorgeous baskets are ready to be baked. Now let's bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 8 to 10 minutes. We are going to bake them till the cheese melts and the bread turns into a beautiful golden brown color. After 10 minutes, you can see these baskets are just perfectly baked, and now you can remove them from the molds and serve them hot. You can use a fork to remove these from the molds. Now you can see we have such a beautiful crust of cheese and vegetables on the top, with a beautiful golden crumb at the bottom, and this tastes amazing when served hot. You can garnish with some basil leaves. Would love to know your take on this recipe. Thank you for watching.